Good afternoon. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
miss.
miss.
Yes, miss.
1 second. I can't hear them. I can't hear them. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Say hi to me.
Hi, miss. Hi, miss.
Okay. Fine. Okay, now you can hear me, right?
Yes, miss. Yes, ma'am.
Say yes or no.
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
I am not able to hear you. That means 1 second. You all are speaking by you. Okay, my home, but I am not able to hear you. 1 second. No?
तो काम को डायरेक्ट कर ले હું કરું પણ નથી ચાલતું આઈફોન બોલ ને डायरेक्ट મારા ઈયરફોન
Okay. Say hello.
Hello, miss.
Okay, fine. Okay. So there was some problem with my side only. Fine. I had given you some homework, right? I had given you some homework. Bhopal gas tragedy. Have you all done it?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Can you just show me? Wow, many of you have sent me the pics, and many of you have not sent me the pics also. So if you all have done, I would like to see. On your cameras, I'll throw you out of the class. Huh? Everyone on your camera. Preksha, Om. Okay. Okay. Vaishnavi, okay. Vaishnavi, change your name. I always see Suhasini only. फिर मैं तेरा
Miss,
नाम वैष्णवी से सुहासिनी कर दूंगी. हाँ?
can't change the name.
Okay, can't change the name. Okay, 1 second. रुक जाओ, option देती हूँ फिर मैं. Okay, Swara. Ria, I think you had sent. Priyal, okay. Preksha?
Miss.
Hmm. Yes.
Yes, miss.
Show.
Yes, miss. Sure.
Yeah, Om, no problem. Yeah, you can do it now, हाँ, Om. अब तुम कर सकते हो. Okay. Fine. So who will tell me about Trisha? Tell me something about Bhopal gas tragedy. When did it happen? In the year? Trisha? Okay, 1984. That is Trisha ने जवाब नहीं दिया, मिताली ने जवाब दिया है. Okay, how many people died? Who will answer?
Miss, can I?
Miss, can I?
Yeah, Ria. Who said can I? बोलो.
Miss 3787.
That's right. I am seeing again तुम्हारा ये बंद हो गया है. मिताली क्या हुआ? तुम्हारा प्रॉब्लम है? There is some problem. I'm not able to see
No,
you.
miss.
Okay, fine. अब दिख रही हूँ मिताली. Fine, ठीक है. This Bhopal gas tragedy, it happened in 2nd December, on 2nd December 1984 at night due to leakage of some gas, right? Which gas it was? Which gas it was? Who will tell? एक फैक्ट्री में हुआ था and there was a complaint, पहले भी उसका complaint आ चुका था. Okay, so there was a leak.
MIC.
That's right. Okay, so and accidentally it, okay Harshita, no problem, accidentally it leaked out and many people died. Okay, yes Mitali, methyl, that is methyl isocyanate. Okay, now so that is how this was actually basically air pollution. ये air pollution की वजह से हुआ है, right? So now we'll come to our next topic, that is effects of air pollution on plants and animals. ये हुआ है क्या अपना? Effects of air pollution on plants and animals.
Yes, miss.
तो हमने कहा, where did we last stop? Greenhouse effect and global warming हमने किया था. We did greenhouse effect and global warming.
Yes, miss.
Okay, so I
Yes,
think we have to start with acid rain.
Miss done.
Acid rain is done. So which page number last कहाँ थे हम?
Miss 57 page is completed.
57 pages completed. Okay, so we move on to page number 51, 58. Everyone to page number 58. I'll just share the screen. One second. Page number 58, na? Okay. Are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
yes,
So
miss.
preventive. So now we'll learn about some preventive measures of air pollution. Okay. What are the preventive measures of air pollution? The first measure: smoke emerging from factories contains harmful particles. Hence, pollution controlling machinery should be used. That is, arresters and filters. The smoke which comes out of the factory are very poisonous. Okay, they have some very harmful particles in it, due to which it becomes very poisonous. Okay, so government is trying to tell the industrialization part, on the industrialization part, that you all should keep some filters that are called as arresters or filters. Okay, which will basically arrest or trap the poisonous gas in one chamber. Okay, और उसको filter करके फिर बाहर निकालेंगे in the atmosphere. Okay, so that is one preventive measure. The other preventive measure is proper disposal of stinking waste generated in cities. In our city also, if you see in Bhayandar also, have you seen dumping ground? देखा है कभी डंपिंग ग्राउंड? कहाँ है?
Yes, miss.
कितना गंदा स्मेल आता है वहां पर? वेस्ट that stings a lot. Okay, वो पूरा बैक्टीरिया और माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म से भरा हुआ रहता है, तो it stings a lot. Okay, so there should be proper disposal of all this stinking waste. जो अपने घर का garbage है. Now there are two types of garbage. Okay, the dry waste and the wet waste, right? दो टाइप का garbage रहता है ना? You have two garbage bins at your house. One is the dry garbage and other is the wet garbage. Yes or no? Do you all do that?
Yes, miss.
Okay, so that wet garbage जो रहता है वो अलग से उसको dispose of करना पड़ता है, because it stings a lot. Okay, घर का कचरा, खाना, कुछ भी, whatever the leftover food. Okay, so all this basically microorganisms work on it and they start stinking more, because वो decompose होना चालू होता है. So there should be proper disposal of the stinking waste which is generated in the cities. The next one is control on atomic test, chemical weapons, etc. Okay, all the tests which are done, nuclear test होता है in Baba Atomic Center, the chemical weapons which are मतलब उसको भी test करना पड़ता है, that should be in a controlled manner. ऐसा नहीं कि मतलब बनाते जाओ and उसका use करते जाओ. Okay, everything should be in a proper controlled manner. And the last is ban over CFC production. What is CFC production? Who will tell me? Yes, who will tell me what is ban over CFC production? Om?
Ma'am, I think it is that the CFC, which is a type of chemical, like there was a ban on it, like proper stop, like no production of that should be now, like there should be no production of that chemical.
Right, but basically CFC होता क्या है? What is the full form of CFC? It is basically chlorofluorocarbon. If you want, you can just write it. Fluoro, FLUORO, fluorocarbon. Okay, it is a chemical which contains carbon, chlorine and fluorine, and it is very toxic. Okay, वो पैकेजिंग में यूज होता था, फोम्स में यूज होता है, रेफ्रिजरेटर में यूज होता है. Are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So
miss.
there should be a control over CFC production, chlorofluorocarbon. Okay. यहाँ पर AQI, this is, do you know AQI, Air Quality Index? It is important for citizens to know the extent of air pollution in their city so as to define the air quality index. What do you mean by air quality index? Can anyone tell me what do you mean by the air quality index? Basically, it is the total amount of pollution in the air. तुम्हारा air atmosphere, how much polluted it is, that will show the that will be shown in the air quality index. If you see in the newspaper Times of India में every day एक छोटा सा column आता है, AQI level बताता है city का. Okay, Mumbai city का AQI level बताता है. So that is basically how clean your atmosphere is, what is the quality of the air. Every day they check. Okay, so during this lockdown period the air quality index was very good. बोलते बहुत pure air था because there was no traffic, no vehicular, no industrialization, nothing, कुछ मतलब everything was at a complete halt. Okay, so the air quality was improving. But now as lockdown has opened again, now again the routine has started, so again वो air quality का index अपना खराब होते जा रहा है. Okay, so basically वहां पर उसके अंदर जो proportion रहता है, that is sulfur dioxide gas, carbon dioxide gas, nitrogen dioxide, ozone, ये सब every day it is measured. Okay, in this AQI. Understood everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now the next is water pollution. Okay, before starting with water pollution, what does this word mean? Water gets polluted. Who will tell?
Garbage is thrown in the water and the water gets polluted due to dirty chemicals and germs.
Yes, very true. Garbage, waste, chemicals, effluents from the industries, waste effluents from the industries, ये सब where it is disposed of. Everything is disposed of in the water. Okay, सब कुछ जो भी जाता है, सब कुछ पानी के अंदर जाता है. So that is why it is said that water is said to be polluted when it becomes unclean and poisonous due to mixing of natural or artificial unwanted material. Okay, when it becomes harmful to living organisms. Why living organisms को harmful हो जाता है? Because we are going to drink that same water directly or indirectly. Okay, so water gets polluted because this unclean जो clean चीजें नहीं रहती है. Okay, the waste material, okay, all this goes into the water, and also the chemicals, the poisonous chemicals, they are also released from the factories. Okay, they also go in the water only. Okay, water में ही जाता है वो सब कुछ. So it becomes harmful to living organisms due to decreased oxygen content when epidemic diseases are spread through water. Okay, epidemic disease, what do you mean by the word epidemic? Yes, what do you mean by the word epidemic? मिताली, अरे सिंपल वर्ड है, एपिडेमिक मतलब क्या? बोलो, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय एपिडेमिक? नोबडी? एपिडेमिक मतलब सबको होता है, उसको एपिडेमिक बोलते हैं।
Penetra?
हाँ, नॉट एबल टू हियर। रिया बोलो।
A large number of people or animal are suffering from the disease.
Yeah, a large number of people or animal are suffering from the disease. सबको होता है। अभी जस्ट मैंने बोला एपिडेमिक मतलब सबको होता है, मतलब मेरे घर में नहीं, बाजू वाले घर में भी, because of the maybe many of these people, many of the people around us will get affected, maybe because of the drinking water. Okay, अब ये भोपाल गैस ट्रेजेडी हुआ था, that was also epidemic ना। वो कितने जनों ने, बहुत सारे जनों ने इनहेल किया, more than 4,000 5,000 people died. Okay, so that was an epidemic. Okay, वो हमारी वजह से हुआ था, because of the accident which happened in that factory. Okay, the gas leaked out. Okay, so that is the epidemic disease which happened to everyone. Now अभी जो कोरोना वायरस चल रहा है, that is called as which disease?
COVID-19.
No, that I know, but that is epidemic or something
Epidemic.
else?
Epidemic.
No. That is called as pandemic. Yeah, it's called as pandemic. Okay, epidemic में और pandemic में फर्क क्या है? This would be your today's homework. Okay, what is the difference between epidemic and pandemic? अब मैंने तुमको बताया epidemic का example दे दिया. Now I have given the example of coronavirus. That is, it is called as pandemic. Why it is called as pandemic? That you have to search it and give the answer to me. Okay, so understood what is your homework? Coronavirus, why it is called as pandemic disease. Okay, now fresh water or marine water pollution includes physical, chemical and biological changes. Fresh water and marine water both get polluted, yes or no?
Yes, miss.
Okay, this gets polluted due to some biological changes, some physical or some chemical changes. Okay, now the water pollutants. Okay, as I told you, pollutants means जो पानी को गंदा करता है उसको हम pollutant बोलते हैं. Okay, water pollution is a phenomena. Okay, so what are the pollutants basically? The first A is biological pollutant, B is your inorganic pollutant, and C is your organic pollutants. So let us see biological pollutants. Water does not remain potable due to algae, bacteria, viruses, parasites, etc. Diseases are spread due to biological pollution. Water does not remain potable. वो पानी वैसा का वैसा रहता नहीं है, because उसके ऊपर algae. What is algae? Can anyone tell me what is algae? Have you seen a green color का layer in the stagnant water? जो पानी
Yes, miss.
ग्रीन कलर का एक लेयर दिखता है. ओके, सो दैट इज बेसिकली अलगे. और अलगे क्या करता है, वो पूरा उसके ऊपर पानी के लेयर के ऊपर आ जाता है ना, तो इट विल नॉट अलाउ fresh oxygen to get inside the water. Okay, understood everyone? Yes, or
Yes.
no? Okay,
Yes.
so these are all your biological pollutants which pollute the water, and disease spread due to this biological pollution. Now, next is your inorganic pollution. Inorganic pollutants, that are basically suspended particles like fine sand, dust, soil, precipitates of salt, compounds of all these metals, heavy metals like arsenic, cadmium, lead, mercury, and traces of radioactive materials. These are all your inorganic pollutants which pollutes the water. And the last one is your organic pollutants. Organic pollutants are weedicides, insecticides, fertilizers, sewage, industrial effluents. Industrial effluents मतलब पानी का industries में से जो पानी का waste निकलता है with chemicals. Okay, chemicals mixed in it. That is called as industrial effluents. Okay, pesticides क्या होता है? Pesticides, weedicides क्या होता है? Who can tell me? Pesticides, weedicides, insecticides. Where these are sprayed? Do you know? These are sprayed where? These are sprayed on the crops to protect the crops from the this weeds and insects. Okay, but कभी-कभी वो crops के ऊपर ज़्यादा fertilizers डालने से what happens? Human beings are affected. Okay, because the vegetables also, the crops also get affected due to the more spraying of the weedicides and insecticides. Okay, understood everyone? So that is why it is always told that you should wash vegetables thoroughly, rinse it thoroughly with running water. Understood?
Yes.
Yes, miss.
Okay, so we move on to the next page. Any doubt in this page? Is everyone clear with this?
Yes, miss.
Yes.
Okay, let us see the next. Now, reasons of water pollution. Again, जैसे air pollution में there were natural reasons and man-made reasons. Here in water pollution also you will have natural reasons and man-made reasons. So let us come to the natural reasons first. The first is your natural reason, aquatic weeds. What is aquatic weeds? पानी के अंदर weeds रहते हैं, छोटे छोटे insects रहते हैं, which are called as weeds. Okay, so they deplete the oxygen level कम कर देते हैं, and they changes the natural taste of the water. This aquatic weeds will change the natural taste of the water, and they decrease the oxygen level. That is why the water gets polluted. The next is your decomposing matter. Decomposition of bodies of plants and animals. The plants which die in the water, okay, what happens to them? How are they decomposed? They are decomposed in the water itself. Okay, so because of that also what happens, your water gets polluted. The next is the mud and the sludge, which river currents, river पानी का flow जब बहुत ज्यादा होता है. Have you ever observed in rainy season, पानी जब बहुत बहता है तो मट्टी को लेके साथ में जाता है.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So that
miss.
is हाँ, so वो कहाँ जाता है? That goes in the ocean, river, सब साथ में सब मिल जाता है. Okay, so river current and its diversion, because of that the mud, the sludge comes out and pollutes the water. And same is the soil erosion also. Many biotic and abiotic factors are added to water due to soil. When the water reaches the ground from the clouds, okay, वो इतना जोर से गिरता है कि मतलब वहां का सब सैंड भी इरोड करने लगता है. ओके, सॉइल इरोजन होता है. ओके, सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट the water flows and it pollutes the entire water. Okay, so that is because of many biotic and abiotic factors which again pollutes the water. The next fifth reason is microbes like fungi and bacteria. Okay, they grow on the organic matter decaying in the water. Okay, अभी जैसे मैंने बोला just before I just said that plants which die, okay, or the some plants or maybe some fishes which die, what happens to them? They get decayed. Okay, by whom? The microorganisms. Okay, the microorganisms decay them. Okay, decompose them, and due to this the water gets polluted. Okay, जब वो decomposition चलता है तब. The next is algae. Excessive algal growth pollutes water. Okay, I just told you about algae, that green color ka layer which you see on the water surface. And the last is the nematodes. Okay, that is soil nematodes flow in with rain water. Okay, what are these nematodes? Who will tell? Nematodes क्या होता है? Anyone, any idea? Yes, round worms देखा है कभी तुमने? Worms, they are basically types of soil worms. Earthworm देखा है? Earthworm.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, वैसे ही टाइप के बहुत सारे टाइप के वर्म्स रहते हैं. ओके, सो ये वर्म्स भी पानी को पॉल्यूट करते. रेनी सीजन में कभी तुमने देखा है, कभी कभी पानी के अंदर भी छोटे छोटे वर्म्स दिखते हैं, एकदम स्मॉल स्मॉल ऐसे, लाइक थ्रेड. हैव यू एवर सीन स्मॉल थ्रेड्स टाइप एकदम रहते हैं?
Yes,
Basically they also pollute the water. These are all natural reasons. ये हम नहीं करते. These are all natural reasons. Now come to the man-made reasons. That is water pollution because of the human beings. The first is, what do we do? Who will tell me? This is very simple. Who can tell me the first reason? Man-made reason. Domestic sewage. क्या होता है? What happens? Say, tell me.
Water.
हाँ हाँ बोलो बोल बोल बोल.
We throw wasted stuffs in water.
या सारा कचरा हम क्या करते हैं, यहाँ वहां डालते हैं, वही सब फिर पानी में चला जाता है. ओके, डोमेस्टिक
Sitting in
sewage.
water.
Yes, domestic sewage from villages and cities is disposed of in river water. सब कुछ पानी में चला जाता है. और villages में तो क्या होता है मालूम है, वो गाय भैंस सब कुछ मतलब buffaloes, cow, they are also washed in the river running water. Do you know this? They wash clothes also. Have you ever observed? And that
Yes, ma'am.
and that water is only drank by them. Okay, so now government is trying to improve all these things. Okay, they are working on it. The next is your industrial effluent. Industrial effluent is the waste which comes out of the from the industries. Various pigments, bleaching chemicals, leather pieces, fibers, mercury, lead, etc. This all are released in the water. Okay, pigments means some types of color. Okay, ब्लीचिंग केमिकल्स रहता है, छोटे छोटे लेदर के पीसीज रहते हैं, फाइबर्स रहते हैं, हेवी मेटल्स रहते हैं, मर्क्यूरी, लेड, दिस ऑल आर रिलीज्ड इन द water. Okay, so that is called as the industrial effluent, which is a man-made reason. The next is your oil spillage. While transportation, or when oil is transported from one country to other, it is transported through waterways only. Okay, so it takes months and months to transport the oil from one country to another. Okay, गल्फ से जो oil हमको मिलता है वो, okay, so उसको जब ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में यहाँ पर लाते तो there is lot of spillage, oil spillage. Okay, have you ever seen गोराई water? Sometimes it अगर ध्यान दिया हो तो कभी कभी oil spillage की वजह से वो एकदम ऐसे greasy दिखता है, greasy. Have you ever observed this? Yes or no?
No, miss.
No.
No,
अच्छा,
miss.
बुराई जाते नहीं है मतलब. ठीक है. ओके, इसके ऊपर देयर वाज अ very huge oil spillage. Okay, this is again the second Google which you'll do and answer it to me. Okay, this is again the second homework for you all. The first homework is your pandemic, what why coronavirus is called as pandemic, and the second homework is when did a major oil spillage happen in India. Okay, so ये तुम टाइप करोगे, you will get an answer and you will have to tell it to me. Okay, तो next तुम मुझे भेजने से अच्छा तुम इसके ऊपर पढ़ो, तो next lecture में I can ask you questions regarding this. Okay, so that also basically oil spill होता है पानी में, तो पानी the water gets polluted. Okay, the next is use of fertilizers and pesticides, जो अभी मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले ही बात किया था. Nitrogen, potassium. Okay, this all are chemical fertilizers. Okay, this fertilizers basically हम लोग जब भी वो crop के ऊपर डालते हैं और फिर crop को हम लोग पानी भी देते हैं, तो वो all this gets percolated in the water only. Okay, pesticides like endrine, chlorine, carbonate contains pesticides. They flow and mix with water. When we spray on the crop, what is going to basically happen? Again, it is going to come in the water only and the water will get polluted. The other reasons are disposals of human waste, washing of clothes, decomposing hemp and flax in water, the disposal of ashes, floral offerings. What do you mean by floral offerings? बोलो.
Miss, what did you say?
फ्लोरल ऑफरिंग्स मतलब क्या? अरे भगवान को फूल चढ़ाते हो, फूलहार चढ़ाते हो कि नहीं चढ़ाते हो? यू वर्शिप गॉड विथ फ्लावर्स, राइट?
मिस, हार जब सूख जाता है तभी.
Yeah, you worship God with fresh flowers, and that when the flowers become stale, what do? Do you throw it away in the dustbin? No, you will not throw it. You see, ask your mom whether she throws it in the dustbin or not. She'll not throw it in the dustbin. She will keep a bag of all the flower offerings which have become stale will be kept in a bag, and that bag will be put into the water. Normally यहाँ पर धक्के के पास एक वो अपना धक्का है ना उत्तन में इधर स्टेशन के पास, वहां पर जाके वो वहां पर पहले डालते थे, अब डालने को नहीं देते. So there is a big tank which is kept there. So you have to just keep it there and then they discard it off. Do you know this?
Yes, miss.
So that is plural offerings. फूल हार जो हम लोग भगवान को चढ़ाते हैं वो all the offerings which you offer to God. Okay, so these are all the man-made reasons. Okay, the next is your effects of water pollution. Now if the water gets polluted, definitely it is going to affect human beings. Okay, the first effect on human beings, disease like hepatitis, typhoid, and of typhoid, disease of skin and alimentary canal. ये सब पानी का alimentary canal is your intestinal system. Okay, intestine का पूरा जो alimentary canal रहता है, the intestines and the small intestine, every that is your alimentary canal. Okay, पूरा system. So ये what happens whenever you मतलब if you drink dirty water, it is definitely going to infect your stomach. Okay, तो loose motions भी हो सकते हैं, diarrhea हो सकता है. Okay, so anything, typhoid हो सकता है. Fine. So definitely it is going to affect human beings. बोलो बोलो. Okay, ailments of liver, kidney. Okay, brain, deformities in bone and hypertension. This is another effect. Okay, liver के ऊपर swelling आ सकती है, kidneys damage हो सकती है, brain damage हो सकता है, bones formation would not be proper, hypertension, that is basically BP तुम्हारा up or down हो सकता है, low or high BP. Okay, the second reason is the main effect of water pollution is on effects on the ecosystem. The whole ecosystem also gets disturbed. Okay, how? The first is retarded plant growth. Okay, the plant will not shoot up as it must do. Okay, जितना होना चाहिए growth होना चाहिए उतना नहीं होएगा, छोटे छोटे shrubs बन के रह जाएंगे, grow हो ही नहीं पाएंगे, because the water which was given to it is not pure, it is not rich in oxygen. Loss of plant species, and इसकी वजह से there are many loss, many plants which have been lost. Okay, उसकी species खत्म हो गई है. Increase in salt content of water, पानी के अंदर किसका किसका ये बढ़ जाएगा proportion. If the water is polluted, the salt content will increase. Okay, decreased dissolved oxygen level. Okay, oxygen level which is there in the water will decrease, and if the oxygen level decreases in the water, what will happen? Who can tell me?
Fish will
मीन्स
die.
पानी के अंदर जो
Yes, fish
मच्छी
will die.
होंगे वो मर
Yes,
जाएंगे.
yes, yes, yes. Fishes will die. The aquatic life will die because the aquatic life cannot inhale the oxygen which we inhale. उनको बाहर निकालो, oxygen inhale करने को बोलो तो वो मर जाएगी. It can only inhale dissolved oxygen. That is why decreased dissolved oxygen level may also affect the aquatic life. That is disturbance in the aquatic ecosystem and death of the aquatic plants, animals. Understood, everyone?
Yes, miss.
And the last is the adverse effect on seabirds. What are seabirds? Now, if that aquatic life is not there, okay, if they die, what will happen? The birds which live on sea, have you ever seen? I don't know, Discovery Channel पे भी देखने को मिलता है, फ्लेमिंगो वगैरह birds भी रहते हैं, उड़ते उड़ते मच्छी को
Yes,
पकड़ते हैं. कभी देखा है क्या?
Yes, ma'am, I have seen.
Yes, ma'am.
उनके
Yes,
beak से
miss.
फटाक से they'll just go with a speed in the water, फट से एकदम लेंगे, fish को पकड़ेंगे और उड़ के चले जाएंगे. So that will definitely affect the seabird also. Okay, because जब aquatic life ही नहीं रहेंगे तो birds भी affected होंगे ना. And the other effects are changes in physical and chemical properties. Definitely, this is the most important thing. Physical or chemical properties of the water will definitely change. उसका color change हो जाएगा, taste change हो जाएगा. Okay, the whole aquatic life, the flora and fauna जो रहता है, fauna, that is water, aquatic life will be destroyed, disturbed. Okay, soil की fertility कम हो जाएगी, and toxic materials जो है that will be added to your crops, and that same crops आगे जाके हम लोग उसको खाने वाले हैं. Understood this, everyone?
Yes, miss.
Any doubt in this?
No.
No, miss, no, miss.
Okay, okay. So we'll come to the last page, page number 60. Hey Mukti, you had a haircut?
Yes, miss.
Oh, कभी?
मिस अभी संडे को ही करवाया था, मतलब परसों करवाया था.
ओहो, इतने छोटे छोटे क्यों करवा दिए? You don't like long hair?
Somewhere.
You don't like long hair?
No, miss.
अरे बाप रे, अच्छा, किसको लंबे बाल पसंद है? Who likes long hair?
Miss
Aishwarya. Harshita.
Harshita.
Miss
Mitali?
Om.
Oh, Om likes long hair. Good. Om, I have very long hair. Huh? So when we meet, you just tell me कैसे है मेरे बाल.
Okay, ma'am, sure.
Okay. So we come on to the last thing, that is soil erosion, soil pollution. Sorry, the last one. So we did what? Which all pollutions we did? Bolo.
Air pollution.
Air pollution, water pollution.
और अभी कौन सा वाला करेंगे? The last one is our soil pollution. Okay. So now, are you able to see?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Today Christopher is very active. Normally कभी active नहीं रहता है, आज super active हो गए. Very good. I am very happy. Out of the total land area of the soil, some is covered by ice, some is covered by desert, and some is occupied by the mountains and hills. Do you agree with this? Yes or no?
Yes,
Ice. Okay.
Yes.
कहाँ पर सबसे ज्यादा ice कहाँ पर है? Where is the highest amount of ice in our world?
Polar.
Polar region,
Antarctica.
Arctic Ocean. Okay. ये सब पूरा बर्फ से जमा हुआ है. Okay. और वहां का बर्फ अभी थोड़ा थोड़ा पिघल रहा है. Have you heard this? Ice is melting because of the global warming. Okay.
Yes.
So the total area of the soil, if we consider that some is covered by ice, some is covered with the desert, okay, and some is occupied by the mountains and hills. So very less area of land is available for the human beings. Okay, हमारे पास जो land बचते, that is very less, और उसमें भी हम लोग उसको pollute कर देते हैं. Okay, so soil is said to be polluted when there are changes in the physical, biological and chemical properties of the soil. Okay, so जब उसकी physical properties, chemical properties and biological properties get changed of the soil and its fertility decreases, okay, it is said that the soil is said to be polluted. And again, there are same way, there are maybe natural reasons or there may be man-made reasons. Okay, so now they have given us the effects of soil pollution. The first effect of soil pollution is that the fertility decreases. Okay, soil की जो fertile land में क्या होता है? What happens in the fertile soil? Can anyone tell me? If the soil is very fertile, what will happen? If you grow a crop in the fertile soil, which type of crop will you get? What quality of crop will you get?
Miss, good quality.
Very good quality and बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा मिलेगा. Okay, the proportion would be also more. Okay, बहुत quantity में मिलेगा and quality भी मिलेगी. Okay, but if the fertility is very less, the crop or the plant will not have that much power in it. Okay, उसमें उतना quality नहीं रहेगा, उतना quality नहीं रहेगा. So because why? What happens? When the water becomes salty, okay, and वो salty water जमीन पे गिरेगा, acidic water जमीन पे गिरेगा, तो वो soil को भी pollute कर देती है. Okay, so because of that the fertility decreases. Suppose if I plant a rose plant in a good soil, that is a fertile soil, and an infertile soil. So in the fertile soil, the rose which comes, okay, plant के ऊपर जो rose plant के ऊपर जो rose आएगा, वो बहुत अच्छा दिखेगा. Whereas यहाँ पर शायद fertility नहीं है soil में, तो वो rose will not be developed only. Okay, वो या तो छोटा सा आएगा या तो आएगा भी नहीं. Okay, so that is the main difference. Okay, you'll understand. Next, the radioactive and other pollutants enter and pass through food chain. Do you know there is a food chain? अपना food chain रहता है. What we take from nature, we give it back to the nature. Do you know this?
Yes.
There is a big food chain. Okay, जो हम लेते हैं वो हम वापस से environment को, nature को दे देते हैं. That is the that is the total food chain. Okay, so ये food chain के अंदर the food chain gets disturbed because the soil, crop and water ये सब pollute होता है जब भी, and they basically enter the human body. Okay, तो जब ये human body को enter होएगा तो हम वापस से वही nature को देने वाले हैं. Okay, so that is again going to go to soil only. Okay, when we die we are going to go in soil only. Okay, so it is again going to pollute the soil. And the last is problem of water pollution increases due to soil pollution. Toxic substances leach into the water. Leach मतलब पानी के अंदर घुसते जाता है. Okay, toxic substances मतलब harmful, poisonous substances leach into the water. Similarly, diseases spread through various pathogens. Pathogens is your basically your microorganisms. Understood with this, everyone?
Yes, miss.
The last is relationship of soil pollution with air and water pollution. What is the relationship of soil with air and water? If wet waste is dumped at wrong place, wet waste, अभी मैंने तुमको थोड़ी देर पहले बोला था, तो there are two types of waste in at our home also, that the dry waste and the wet waste. Yes or no? अभी हम लोग दो डस्टबिन बाहर रखते हैं, एक wet waste की और dry waste की. Okay, so if this wet waste is dumped at wrong places, instead of composting it, okay, instead of उसका manure बनाना कि उसको बराबर उसको compost करके decompose करना, pathogens grow upon it and which they are mixed with the water. Okay, पैथोजेंस अगर उसको बराबर डिकम्पोज नहीं किया तो पैथोजेंस उसके ऊपर माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स ग्रो होएगा, वो बहुत ज्यादा स्टिंक होएगा, and definitely then it will go in the water and it will pollute the water also. Then the insecticides, the chemical fertilizers, the weedicides which are used for agriculture, crops के ऊपर जो हम spray करते हैं, okay, they also cause soil pollution. Okay, now if we spray excess of insecticides and weedicides, these are again mixing with the air also. Yes or no? जब spray करते हैं तो जरूरी थोड़ी crop पे ही जाएगा, थोड़ा हवा में भी तो जाएगा. अगर तुमने परफ्यूम डाला है यहाँ पर बेडरूम में, हॉल में स्मेल आएगी कि नहीं आएगी?
आएगी मिस.
ऐसी, हाँ, तो वैसे ही अगर एक्सेसिव इंसेक्टिसाइड्स तुमने अगर क्रॉप्स के ऊपर स्प्रे किया तो डेफिनेटली इट इज गोइंग टू मिक्स विद द एयर आल्सो. तो वो प्लांट्स के क्रॉप्स के ऊपर तो गिरेगा ही गिरेगा, बट इट इज गोइंग टू मिक्स विद द एयर, कॉजिंग एयर पॉल्यूशन. एंड एक्सेसिव केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर्स आल्सो विल डेफिनेटली कॉज वाटर पॉल्यूशन. वो एयर में भी मिक्स होएगा, वो पानी पे भी गिरेगा, क्रॉप्स को पानी मिलेगा तब वो उसमें से निकल के नीचे आएगा. ओके, तो इट इज गोइंग टू पोल्यूट द वाटर आल्सो एंड सॉइल आल्सो. Soil pollution occurs due to mixing of human waste, birds and animal waste. Okay, this I don't think you need not मतलब explain करने की जरूरत भी नहीं है, तो मतलब बहुत सिंपल है. हमारे जो वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स निकलते हैं वो भी सॉइल में ही मिक्स होते हैं. किसके घर पे डॉग है? किसी के घर पे डॉग है?
मेरे पास है पर वो कॉटन का है.
अरे यार, रियल पपी की बात कर रही हूँ मैं.
बहुत क्यूट
Yes,
है.
I have.
Who has?
Miss Ria.
अरे वाह रिया, कभी फोटो भी नहीं भेजा तुमने मेरे को, फोटो
हम्म।
भेजना. हाँ, तो वो
Yes,
पेट
miss.
पेट को भी हम लोग बाहर घुमाने ले जाते हैं. ओके, उनको शीशी शुसु कराने को जाते हैं. तो ऑल दिस ऑल्सो क्या होता है, वो कहाँ पर करते हैं? दे विल डू इट ऑन द इन द सॉइल ओनली. तो दैट इज ऑल्सो गोइंग टू मिक्स विद द सॉइल एंड पॉल्यूट द सॉइल. ओके, दिस रिलीजेस वेरियस स्टिंकिंग गैसेस कॉजिंग एयर पॉल्यूशन. ओके, बहुत गंदी स्मेल आती है. ओके, and it stinks a lot and air gets polluted. Some waste may cause water pollution if mixed with water. Okay, now pollution prevention and control. Government of India has enacted some laws for control. Okay, they have given us some laws. Government of India, okay, they are taking some preventive measures, some steps, okay, for the control of pollution. Okay, and prevention and control both. So there are some laws regarding the pollution control. The first law is water pollution. First act is Water Pollution and Prevention Act 1974. उसके अंदर थोड़े बहुत norms, rules दिए हैं which industries and which cities have to follow. The second is Air Pollution and Prevention Act 1981 and Environmental Protection Act 1986. 1986. Okay, these are all different types of laws which are given by the government of India. Okay, to control pollution. Various laws and rules are in force in relation to the biomedical waste. Okay, biomedical waste is the waste from the hospitals. Okay, उसके लिए भी बहुत उन लोग ने रूल्स बना के मतलब स्ट्रिक्ट रूल्स बना के रखे हैं. हार्मफुल एफ्लुएंस, सॉलिड वेस्ट एंड साउंड पोल्यूशन. Government statutory bodies like Maharashtra Pollution, that is MPCBCPCB. Okay, that is Maharashtra Pollution Control Board. Okay, MPCB and CPCB. ये शॉर्ट में शायद पूछ सकते हैं तुम लोगों. हाँ, Maharashtra Pollution Control Board and Central Pollution Control Board. This board supervises about whether the industries, the local bodies like municipalities and panchayat, gram panchayat, they are following the laws that is the act properly or not to control the pollution. Understood everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? If everyone is clear with this? सबको समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now just go through the lesson quickly and see if you have any doubt, you can just ask me. Today आज मैंने तुम लोग को 2 होमवर्क दिया है, 2 सर्च करने को दिया है. एक तो पेंडेमिक, what do you mean by pandemic, coronavirus, why coronavirus is called pandemic, and the second one is कौन सा दिया था second one? मैं भी भूल गई. Which one is the second one?
When did the major oil spillage occur?
Oil spillage. Oil spillage, when did it happen? Okay, this will be the two homework for you all. You will have to search it and you will have to do it. Okay. Any other doubts anyone has?
No, miss.
No, miss.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am. 100%.
So with this, we complete our lesson. This lesson is completed. You have to be prepared. I'll be sending you notes for this lesson. Do you have the notes of this lesson? School में से दिया है?
No,
No, miss.
ठीक है, तो I will be sending you. You be prepared for the next week. There will be 2 tests. One is the science, this chapter test, pollution, and maths. I will be taking this chapter 12, equation in one variable. So next week there will be 2 tests. Be prepared for your test. Okay, I'll be sending you the notes for this. Meanwhile, you can just study it from your digest. You all have the digest, right? डाइजेस्ट है ना तुम्हारे पास?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
yes.
हाँ, तो डाइजेस्ट में से तुम लोग पढ़ना चालू कर दो, तब तक मैं फिर बाद में नोट्स तुम लोग को भेज देती हूँ. क्लियर एवरीवन?
Okay, miss.
Yes, miss.
या
Miss,
चलो
I'm
देन. हाँ बोलो
Fairness
बोलो. हाँ बोल.
Saturday को.
वैष्णवी वापस से बोल, मुझे सुनाई नहीं दिया.
मिस ये साइंस टेस्ट वेडनेसडे को रहेगा या फिर सैटरडे को? वैसे
एक टेस्ट वेडनेसडे को रहेगा, एक टेस्ट सैटरडे को रहेगा. मे बी आई विल कीप मैथ्स. विच टेस्ट डू यू वांट फर्स्ट?
मैथ्स.
ठीक है, तो मैथ्स का पहले रखूंगी, इक्वेशन इन वन वेरिएबल, एंड उसके बाद साइंस का रखूंगी. ओके, मे बी वेडनेसडे और फ्राइडे और वेडनेसडे और सैटरडे. लेट अस सी कैसे होता है. ठीक है ना? ओके एवरीवन?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, miss.
So next week be ready with your homework also, science का. ठीक है ना? चलो then.
Bye, miss. Thank you, miss.
Bye.
Bye, miss. Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, miss. Thank you, miss.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.